Dear students of class 1, I am Mrs. Neha Makkar and in this video we are going to read page number 12 of your lesson My Body, My Senses, which is lesson number 2. Now students, in the first part of this lesson we have studied about the different body parts and their function in our body. Now let us continue. Children, learn the names of the different body parts. Point out to them in the illustrations given on the previous page and read out loudly. Now students, we will look at the diagram and we will point out the various parts of the body. We will begin with students the topmost part, which is the head. On the head, what do we have? We have fine thread-like structure called the hair. Then comes the face. We have the eyes, nose, ears, mouth, chin, cheeks. These are the parts of our face. Now students, below our face, what do we have? We have the neck. And after the neck, we have the shoulder to carry heavy loads. Below the shoulder, we have the chest. Waist is the portion where we tie our pants or jeans. And arm is the portion between the wrist and the shoulder. That is from where we tie the watch till the shoulder is the arm. And the elbow is the joint of the hand, which helps us to move or wave our hand. Hip is our back portion on which we sit. And our thumb is the portion of our from our 5 fingers. Stomach is the place where our food gets digested. Then our hand. Thigh is the portion below the hip and above the knee. Then we have the joint of our legs, which is known as knee, which helps us to bend down. Then we have our foot, on which we stand, on which we tap. Then the front portion of our foot is known as toe. Then we have our leg. The leg comprises of our knee, foot and toe. We have our 5 fingers in each hand. We also have nails in our hands. We have 1 nose. We have 1 mouth and 1 tongue inside our mouth. We have 2 eyes and we have 2 ears and 2 hands and 2 feet. We have fingers on our hands and 10 toes in our feet. Just like we have 10 fingers, we have 10 toes in our just like we have 10 fingers in both our hands, means 5 fingers in each. We have 10 toes, means 5 toes in each of our feet. Now students, we have to draw our own face. Like I have drawn the picture of a girl with the hair, head, eyes, eyebrow, nose, lips, chin, neck and shoulders. In the same way, you also have to do this activity of drawing your face. Now about my face. I have 2 eyes to see, 1 nose to breathe and smell. Now 2 cheeks, 1 chin, 1 mouth and 1 pink tongue inside it, and also white sparkling teeth inside my mouth. Sparkling means shining, children. 2 sharp ears to hear. The ears are inside the hair. You can draw the ears outside also. And this is all about my face that smiles so brightly every day. Now students, we will also study about the things we can do. We can do many things with our body and each part of our body is useful. Just like our hands help us to pull the cart. Then our hands help us to write. And both our hands and legs help us to ride a bicycle. So students, each body part has a very different function and it helps us to do different things. So we should take care of our body carefully. Our ears help us to listen to different types of sounds or music. Our legs help us to skip. Our teeth and mouth helps us to eat something. So each body part has a different function. We have 5 sense organs. Our eyes help us to see. Nose help us to breathe or smell. Our ears give us the sense of hearing. Our skin gives us, or our hands give us, the sense of touch. Our tongue helps us to taste and lick different kinds of food. Our nose helps us to smell. So these are our 5 sense organs. Hence we should take good care of our body. Thank you children.